How you going, guys? So today we are going to do the oil filter, an oil change and an air filter change in the Mitsubishi 380. So I haven't worked on this one yet. She is a bit grubby, but we'll see how we go. So we'll start with the air filter. Hope you guys can see that. So just need a star just here. Alright, so we're just going to loosen the hose off, and then this should open up freely. Just loosen that up. It's nice and loose, and pull it off. Put it over here for a sec. Alright, so we've got the hose off. Let's move that out of the way. Alright, so we've just taken the hose off, just so that we get a bit of movement when we open the box. So we're just going to undo the clips, and that'll slide straight open. Take the air filter out. Now that is absolutely filthy. When you do put this back together, there's little clips down the bottom that you'll see. You need to make sure that they're locked in first before you put the air filter back in, otherwise you won't have a very good airlock, and that's going to cause problems. I'll just show you it's the new one compared to the old one. You'll see how big of a difference that is. That is amazingly disgusting. Alright, so I'm just going to go put this clip on, and then we'll show you how to put it in. Alright, just to show you quickly, I had a bit of trouble getting the bottom clip back on because the hose was a bit tight, so we've just undone the other one just to remove it out of the way. Alright, so then you'll see the two little clips down the bottom. You need to make sure that they are clipped in properly. Alright, so now we're just going to try and put in the filter. I'll have to put this down for a sec to do it up properly. I'll give it a go. Alright, so just lock in the pins and put all your hosing back on. So put this end on first if you took that off, and then this end, or whatever's easier for you. I don't know how good of a view that is, but sorry if it's not a good view. Make sure it's all in place. Do it back up. Don't over tighten it. Make sure it's nice and firm, but if you over tighten it, you'll just put wear on the rubber. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's also the first time using the GoPro, so my trusty old phone doesn't cut it anymore apparently. And next we're going to move on to an oil filter and oil change. Alright, all done. Obviously go over everything you undid to make sure that you've done everything up. Good to go, and we can throw this horrible thing in the bin.